Nirmala ken yam kanasan kontin barwani lingwase me kanwar online TV channel. Guri jen wo bajo me baja nywaka yakel. En wale shanga jandang ro diok ka pai baro. Ron kina dangro widi jandang ro widi diech. Anda mandu ni shang kwad nyang mala yanong roi na gwase me. Bana roache ka jaw mashalat ka Greater Pibor Administrative Area la GPAA wujame which jeba kan anywak. La bar kana murle kana itin content ka Pibor ki Greater Pibor Administrative Area. Bana manana shalat ke kwidien en bana jelinkel jome shagor ki warga me shagor ka shanya dangra yudi ro ka pay baro ron kin dangra wi jan dangra yudi di bukon manana shalat ke kwidien bana jelinkel en wana mene gore jen wojin der channel der je support ko mete galer mi shibare da shwa mala shibegaji gwasa dan en pay lare gwasme bana jome bana jelin kel ngay kon diala no ni dial gor kano de ken tekatin de tek de janang niam no shit ka kwen pal pain dwel gor ka di diala to wa gor ka ken o de ka tekaran dundore wi ka pushala ton no wa netin content wi mi gwar nye da wa shush kan long ka tin kon dong de ken ga jek redul gor ka ki tashi ngandien wa ken tek re shush kam dira long no gwad dan tiketin ka pushala no cha jomo cha jakwen no ngai kono no pushala town ngai kono shikoro wan chi tok tin long kam 19 kon tin la murle ken bar alo ken tele ka access ketin kon dong kwana de ken ka cham so jaga tigdien ko bebet ka jowo dan en chalat ka jowo chakulat gwade me la pushala tepin Greater Pibor Administrative Area ajan gwadana tetin no wa ken chush kan long jome cha lat wa gor kan lok ki de ka moy kan lok chir manen yana ma gwasame ano gadul gor kan kwan lo de kan ka bala kwan to ya kam kame wa ta dan cha gu jen go de kan tek dien de kan nang niam ka ja ana me jome cha lat ka kwidien bana wo ka raido dien ka jom shalat gwasame shalat wone ne te kane ti shakep ne ti kane ti kon la let kel ka leere wika so Sudan kana wa shika bat kwa ka gwas dan tiketin bana jome bana jelin ka ta dan sha non ka je wani ti kane ti la lela ka gang ka jo shalat ka je the Director General at the Ministry of Wildlife Conservation and Tourism chikala no shineken dang wan shika bat gwan mi mo shako gwan mo shika wutin waken shaka kep kwal kujino ka ngane kep kamoni ne ti waken ka yin ok ka yin lane latin kontin tere ruop no ka jo mashalat. According to Gerald Kamis Adiang Ding, the 4 officers were part of a team of 8 rangers transporting construction brick to the headquarters of the Lantoto National Park located in Ye River County on Sunday, July 2025, when their convoy came under attack. He said the officers were attacked by gunmen wearing military uniform and army with machine guns, rocket propelled grenades, and so on. Ka jomi kalat gwasame kanene dang wanti chaka ke waken chaka jugo temede kana gwad manan kanetin yin gwad danan waka kap chungtin name to ka Ye River shwane de tone shwa ke chu kep eneti tekamech ke jedwar quick corner madong ke kumen kon te dor ke bonden kon te dor barega mo to ka re wishin winemi ka to ka shanga jan dangro ka pay baro ron kin dangro wid jan dangro with the DH ka do badan inshallah ka je eken no Gwasame, it was on the 20th of July 2025 when our rangers were busy in Lantoto National Park in Ye River County. They were transporting brick for building their office in the park. They were ambushed on the way coming to the headquarters by an army group in full uniform, heavily armed with machine gun and RPGs. Gerald Kamis said 4 of the rangers were taken hostage but later managed to escape following a rescue operation launched from the headquarters. Gerald Ding said 4 of our rangers were taken hostage but later managed to escape following a rescue operation launched from the headquarters. The other 4 others have remaining missing since the ambush. Ne dang wan ka kene ti shaka nang netin kontila jidwar no ka ken lunjok wa ken dang badak ne dang badda ka to la ne ngware dien akene ti content sha kula nang tin kanjek na me emuto ka ye river ye lara talk mandan le road re wichin vinemi jidwar ke people freedom movement la bon dan and right ke wude shal ke me feel free mi comedian kan tika dore wichin vinemi la ke jidwar en ram malaran kuma michikene jek ajiran wildlife jin police jin SSPD ya michikene jik bikene kap but chicken kana ban mishi take resistant bi yet kake ajen ta dan le road en teme chala do ne dangwan shika bat kake te kan jek ka jaw dan en chala eken gwasemene mugoro de nat de ken widien der shunga kane tin konen te juba en ka jaw dan en chala re ler kanamene re wish ka juba te ka jaw mashalat tin South Sudan Institute of Revenue Administration kana wati kamishi kana lef ki shika lef ko dul gorka mugorno de nywaga yakel gwasa me ko de yen kula teka lian kamandana le rode cha jo me cha jala no mille rode entame no ala kume kirma yadi ken chikan dul gorka shikana lef dul gorka na mo dul gorka malat ken no banat ba ken yetin and dul gorka shwale South Sudan Institute for Revenue Administration or mishwal ke sira waken bigana luak kata dan de tolbok de je tol kaje kata dan de custom system der let kaje re wik ka South Sudan chikala re wona en dul gorka na mo wati ka west of Juba along Ye Road wajen tajari aleken go take dulting one warede take only take electronic ni ti kunar lengi ka the computery te computer center take accommodation for student and lecturer gwan modena de ka toitin ke de na de nientin wajen tajari aleka gwa ken shit kamandan en shikana latki men chala de kume dung kirme yadi so gwada me kamana goro bi akula ngaj wa en institute me ki institution me ni mishaleba wajen labje ko jen banad bakalwak ba ne tungwan ba kan yechit ka officery no in training our officer they will have not only gain the technical competence but they will also have the leadership and managerial capabilities to manage our tax administration he say the minister added that SIRA graduate will be trained not just in technical knowledge but also in leadership to support reform in the country's public finance system. Wakane diala kontin ba ngeja gwasa mo kene kontin la teacher tin ba ngi ketada ande tolbook de je kap ke jake de je jakane to kontin bere weekend kontin wika South Sudan wa chiwo kan bikan teka ta shit ko dong de computer ngai ke ko ken but panken wa bega teka ngai ko de na de kan ka bodde de ngai kon do budanan la kwakla ka tola ka jere wini ana mutol ka kwak special ka South Sudan chane ngaje no kor gwada payo tikala no de ka dul dia de kan ka tol ino dong somebody there jo kep ka bom da na there kep ko bom no gorjen o der nying na there ka kan bada wajin bi yikti ke reason ki bitika lot ka do budanan gor yu to ka je so jo me misala de kan no shadul gor kan tamme cha jellep kelep ko je ka kwiko bine dialan kon tintere wach ka South Sudan no bikan teka ngaki ba kan ngetin andul gorka na mo jen jo dana gore de nyaka ka yakel ani biata kamal ban nyo je kala rodien tuje poro jen bi Nwer online TV channel bi nyani ko ken biata kamal bye bye